Choosing the best collectible trading card case can be difficult because there are a variety of options from different brands on the market, such as Ultra Pro, BCW, Quiver Time, Fab Maker, Monster Protectors. We put together a list of the 5 best collectible trading card cases to help you find the one you want. We have spent more than 7 days testing a lot of collectible trading card cases, with prices ranging from $7 all the way up to $44. We picked Ultra Pro collectible trading card case as our top choice. Read on for a list of our top picks. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without the Number 1. Thick deck case with larger label space. Higher capacity and larger label space. Each deck case measures 2 to 4 5 times 2 1 3 times 3 to 9 10 inches, wider and deeper, which easily holds 120 unseated standard trading cards or 100 single-sleeved or 80 double-sleeved, with room for dividers. Label area on box top measures 2 times 6 cm, larger than others, 1 times 6 cm. Easier to mark and identify the decks. 3 color-coded deck holders and 6 card dividers. You will get 3 deck holders to meet your needs of organizing various decks and 6 removable dividers to separate different card decks and keep them in order. 3 different colors allow for easy deck sorting. White application. Designed to work for MTC, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, baseball cards, Star Realms and the like. Sturdy but lightweight feature offers more convenience to transport decks by putting it into luggage, bag, and even pocket while going out with friends or traveling around. Also an ideal gift for deck fans. Super thick and reliable quality. Compared to other 0.5 mm thickness, our deck case is thicker, 0.8 mm. Ultra thick design can withstand repeated use. Not easy to deform or break. Constructed of strong yet flexible polypropylene, which makes it sturdy but resilient, durable enough to stand up to multiple openings and closings during many games. Number 2. Deck blocks with 2 dividers. Thick and reliable. All the deck blocks are 0.8 mm thick, or 1.6 mm were double. Different deck box design. Each deck block has 3 double walls, top, bottom and back. Premium materials polypropylene deck boxes that hold up to 100 double-sleeve trading cards each, without the card dividers, or up to 110 single-sleeve playing cards. Not compatible with top loaders. More card dividers. The bundle contains a total of 10 card dividers, 2 dividers color. 5 custom colors. Number 3. Ultimate Guard Boulder. Durable and rigid box. Designed for 100 double-sleeved or 120 single-sleeve standard size cards and Ultimate Guard sleeves. Dimensions. Approx. 76x75x 98.5 mm. Soft touch finish. Secure closure. Designed to fit into other Ultimate Guard products. Super High 550 plus, Arca 400 plus, Arca 800 plus, Smartha 400 plus, Flip Trip. Number 4. Siame X Large Premium Double Deck Box. Strong magnetic closure. 4 strong magnets keep the lid closed even in strong waggle. No card spills during transportation. Deck box for all matches. Siame XL Double Deck Box contains over 220 sleeved cards. Twice space larger than ordinary deck box. Premium deck case with innovative design, high-end materials and twice the space. For professional play. Detachable trays. The card and dice trays give you independent access to cards and accessories. Case size fits for all trading card games, including MTG, Magic the Gathering card, Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh!, Keyforge, Star Realms, Star Wars X-Wing, Force of Will, Cardfight Vanguard, WoW, Arkham Horror, The Lord of the Rings, Panini XL and Match Out of Football card. Number 5. Convertible deck and game accessories box. Present cards in new and unique ways. Completely removable cover grants easy access to all components. The cover clips onto the bottom and saves precious space at the gaming table. Holds up to 1,000 double-sleeve cards. The dungeon is ideal for housing a complete card collection and is perfect for cube drafts. It holds several deck boxes, playmats, accessories and a huge number of single cards, even protected in bigger top loader sleeves. Used with other Gamagenic products. The Dungeon 1100 Plus convertible is compatible not only with the rest of the product line, but also with most boxes and solutions available on the market. It is optimized for Gamagenic sleeves. Sleeves from other brands may affect capacity and compatibility. Special locking mechanism. The Dungeon features a subtle but strong closing mechanism with an ingenious design that keeps the box safely closed even when full loaded. Powerful magnets provide a secure closure, even if the box is shaken upside. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description for any problem. Please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products. It makes your life so much easier.